Item-wise internal transfer report. Similar to the internal transfer report, which contains all the details of internal transfers taken place between sister outlets or center kitchen to outlets or vice versa. This report will contain all of those transfer information in the format of your raw materials. So internal transfer report displays all the details in the format of the supplier as in the outlet. But this report will showcase all the information with the primary field being your raw material. Let us see how can we access this raw material in Petpooja inventory. First, you have to log on to your owner's dashboard and then go to inventory section. Inside inventory, you will find a subheading for reports, under which item-wise internal transfer will be available. As you can see here, you can apply filters by the supplier type, the raw material names, the categories of raw material, the type of sale. Now sale here essentially signifies the transfer and purchase return signifies the purchase return of a transfer which has taken place. As both are outward entries, the system can create reports for both of them. Now there is no other report by the name of purchase return transfer report, but you can access that if you need to by coming here. Then there is date range filter. Let us filter the reports as per our date range. As you can see here, the first column heading is for the category of raw material. The second is for the raw material name. The third is for the total quantity shipped or purchased during that period. The fourth column is for the total price of the raw material which has been traded. Then comes the total tax column, and in the end it is the total amount column. Now these column headings also has a total. It is the total of all of the activities taken place during that month. And the totals mentioned below are for the raw materials. As soon as you come here and click on the plus sign, it will show you the outlet to which you've shipped or purchased the thing from. In case of multiple outlets where we've traded one particular product, we can see all the details like so. When you're supplying or purchasing one particular raw material at different rates to different outlets, all of the total for the same is mentioned here. If you'd like to export the report, then you can come here and click on export all, which will generate an Excel file which looks like so. This Excel file will contain all of the information for all of the activities taken place during that date range, and you can use this for multiple data visualization methods. So this was all about internal transfer item report in Petpooja inventory. Now thing to make sure here would be that you have to first go to the particular outlet for which you want to generate this report. As different outlet has different primary entities for all of the transfers, different reports will be generated also as per the outlet name. So first you go to the dedicated outlet and then you generate the report for accurate data. Thank you.